Greetings from Stockholm, Sweden, and you are watching Beach Adventures with Kris, the channel where I show you different beach locations throughout the whole year, not just in Sweden but also around the world on my travels. And yes, this is my YouTube hat, winter hat, that I have gotten for being in the YouTube creator program. And I'm still there, and it's so amazing to be part of that community. Now it is 21st of November 2025, and currently it is -2 degrees Celsius in the air, and as you can see there is snow everywhere and the lake is frozen as well, which means that we are ready for another winter ice bath. Now I have missed the sun for just a few minutes and it will be setting down there in a bit. Now it is 1 p.m. so the day is very short. If you snooze, you lose. It's actually how it is. And now that it's so cold, I'm starting the episodes with winter jacket, then changing in and getting ready to go in for a ice dip and also ice crashing before that. This is Fagersjö in south part of Stockholm, southern suburb, and on the lake Magelungen, and the closest beach spot to my home. Yeah, Kris is continuing despite this super cold weather. My hands are freezing now when I'm holding the GoPro, so it will be just a quick dip today, right? Okay, get ready and let's go! And we are ready for the winter ice bath. I still have my winter hat on because it's so freezing cold. The wind is so heavy. Now let's get some ice crushing first before we go in. Let's see if it's gonna be hard. Oh, it's so easy and satisfying at the same time. The ice is not hard, but still it takes a bit of effort to break it. Amazing. It is cold, I'm not gonna lie, and the further you go out, the harder it is to break the ice, and it's so satisfying indeed. Okay, -2 degrees in the air. Let's check the temperature in the water before I go in this winter wonderland. It's freezing cold. It's freezing cold, and temperature in the water, believe it or not, it is 2 degrees Celsius. It's 2 degrees Celsius, so freezing cold indeed. But it is time for Kris to go in for a quick dip in the ice, and with the help of the sun it's going to be absolutely amazing. Okay, winter wonderland of Sweden, and off we go with the hat. And now it's time for the ice dip. Hopefully, okay, let me just get rid of the ice so I don't get something on my head. Okay, because these chunks of ice are quite heavy. All right, Kris is ready. So, ready, set, and go! I made it! Another winter ice bath, and I feel amazing. Oh my god. Cool, that's alright. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Kris!